Today we are installing this Ironman 4x4 winch. It has 12.000 lbs. So this is the complete package. We even get this blanket that I am going to use when winching. Very nice. We get an instructions manual and user guide. Some cables. This is the hose, which is a safety thing. All the bolts. The wired remote control, which is plug and play. So when you need it, you just plug it, and when you don't need it, you just take it into the car. Very, very nice. The steel hook. A nice Ironman 4x4 textile thing. And yeah, this is the winch itself. Very big, bulky. And what's most important, is made for the Australian desert. It's waterproof and of course very durable, and it comes with 5-year warranty. So let's go on and install it on the car. The nicest thing is with the remote. First it's wireless, then you can use it wired if the battery is weak, but I've never seen something like this. You also have an LED light, which is very, very nice if you have to use the winch during the night. So this way you use it cordless. When you plug it in, this small LED will light up, and you have the in and the out, which shows us the overall build quality of this winch. It will be a great fit on the car, so let's install it. So this is the final result of the winch installation, of the Ironman 4x4 winch installation. Very, very nice. We managed to find a suitable place for the relay. This way we have easy access to this part right here, which is the connection for the wired remote control in case that the wireless remote control is not working. We also took the air hose somewhere in this area, and yeah, overall a very nice result. Very sturdy, durable, waterproof, 12,000 pounds of force, the winch from Ironman. That being said, we'll see you again in one of my next videos. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.